Okay, so our first song is by Simon and Garfunkel, entitled "The Boxer." Paul Simon was born in Newark, New Jersey, to Hungarian Jewish parents. The musician Donald Fagen described Simon's childhood as that of a certain kind of New York Jewish background, almost a stereotype, to whom music and baseball were very important. I think it has a lot to do with the parents. The parents are either immigrants or first generation Americans who felt like outsiders, and assimilation was the key thought. They gravitated to black music and baseball, looking for an alternative culture. After graduating from high school, Simon majored in English at Queens College and graduated. Paul Simon has won 12 Grammy Awards, one of them a Lifetime Achievement Award. Art Garfunkel was born in Queens, New York City. His father was a traveling salesman. Garfunkel is of Romanian Jewish descent. Garfunkel's love of singing originated in the first grade. He met future singing partner Paul Simon in the sixth grade when they were in a school play together. Garfunkel ultimately earned a BA in art history, and then he went on to get his master's degree in mathematics education from Teachers College, Columbia University. He completed coursework for a doctorate. Garfunkel has undertaken several long walks in his lifetime, writing poetry along the way. He has walked across Japan, he has walked across the United States, and he has walked across Europe from Ireland to Istanbul in Turkey. The song "The Boxer" was originally written with a verse that is not present in the album. And that verse is as follows. Now the years are rolling by me. They are rocking evenly. I am older than I once was and younger than I'll be. That's not unusual. No, it isn't strange. After changes upon changes, we are more or less the same. After changes, we are more or less the same. The song lyrics are taken the form of first-person lament, as Singh describes his struggles to overcome loneliness and poverty in New York City. The narrator is particularly scarred by the experiences that he had as a young man who left his home and family and was no longer that boy. Doing so under some vague pretense that life on his own would be better than wherever he came from. The narrator has had to endure loneliness, poverty, homesickness, and urban isolation. His overwhelming desire to overcome his isolation has led him to make some unsavory choices. The narrator clearly is very desperate for some sort of connection with the human race.